Bitcoin is moonshotting. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here. And in today's video, a major $3,000 breakout is happening right now on Bitcoin. At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is breaking above critical resistance at $70,000, all while Ethereum has rallied above $3,800, and Coinbase has just announced that they've donated $25 million more to a pro-crypto super PAC. Today very well may be day one, hour zero of the next major uptrend on Bitcoin. Today I'm going to show you exactly why, so without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is trading just shy of $71,000. It is up 2.5% in the last 24 hours and up 5% in the last 7 days, following many other major cryptocurrencies such as Binance, which is up 10% in the last 7 days, 6.5% in the last 24 hours, and Toncoin, which is up almost 9% in the last 7 days, up 5% in the last 24 hours. Major rallies are happening not just to Bitcoin, not just to cryptocurrencies in the top 10, but also to a plethora of others. Notcoin has rallied 170% in the last 7 days, and Dog Go to the Moon has rallied over 100% in the last 7 days as well. In the last 24 hours, we have no fewer than 6 cryptocurrencies that are currently up double-digit percentage points. And this all comes in the wake of a news story that came out very late yesterday. Coinbase has raised the Fair Shake Super PAC fund by $25 million. This is important because this super PAC is pushing for regulatory clarity for cryptocurrency. They have stood in support of SAB 121 and FIT 21, a couple of bills that have seen bipartisan support in the House and Congress recently for cryptocurrency. And it's also the same PAC that recently Ripple donated $25 million to, that we reported on in a video last week. This super PAC has raised over $160 million in donations that will be supporting cryptocurrencies and supporting pro-cryptocurrency House of Representative members and senators in the upcoming 2024 elections. But it seems that they might not even need this PAC's support to be able to get support at the polls because Bitcoin is so popular right now. At the time of recording this video, which is 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Bitcoin is trading at $71,000. It has rallied over $2,000 in the last 3 hours and has once again broken above this critical downtrending level of resistance that Bitcoin has found over its head over the last several days. Breaking above this level and also above the psychological level at $70,000 indicates that a major breakout could be starting right now. You see, on the 3 daily chart, Bitcoin has seen its Bollinger Bands constrict very, very tightly, and just like a coiled spring, the tighter you coil the spring, the further back you draw the crossbow, the more potential energy there is. And so with the Bollinger Bands being so tight, it leads us to the conclusion that Bitcoin is looking for a major movement soon, which is why over the last couple of weeks, we've been predicting that a major breakout to the upside would be happening either this week or next week. That's something that we've been saying pretty much all of May so far. On top of the recent uptrend that we're seeing on Bitcoin, you can also see that Bitcoin briefly fell back down to and bounced off of the 20 daily exponential moving average, one of the most important moving averages in the entire cryptocurrency space. When you bounce off of the 20 EMA, it typically indicates that you're about to go into a major uptrend. Furthermore, with this movement, we're seeing a bullish MACD cross coming in on Bitcoin's MACD, and if you squint, you can see that the crypto Jeb oscillator has just started to switch back bullish. The bulls are starting to gain momentum so long as Bitcoin stays up here in the high $70,000 before the day ends. But it's not just Bitcoin that is performing well over the last few hours. In the last 4 hours, Ethereum has rallied $54, about 2%. And so it seems that Ethereum could be working towards breaking out of its trading range that we've been in for the last week. To do so, Ethereum would have to break $3,843, and that would help Ethereum to go into a major uptrend because Ethereum has been flagging out for the last several weeks. If Ethereum is able to break bullish out of its uptrend here, price targets point as high as $5,000. And if and when we do see the Ethereum ETFs finally going live, the inflows of money into Ethereum will almost certainly send it to $5,000 and beyond. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the cryptocurrency space at large are looking to be going into a major rally starting at some point in June, moving through July and on into August. How are you preparing for it? Are you dollar cost averaging? Do you have a written plan for your investments called an investment plan? Have you sat down and done a budget for your personal finances? Are you paying off debt? Are you doing all of the different things that you need to be doing on a daily basis to put yourself ahead? I want you to be wealthy, and that is why we make the content that we do. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and make sure to check out LUX Algo by going to luxalgo.com/Jeb, and thank you very much to them for making this video possible. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video.